Put on time. Now we reach at the sticky waterfall. It starts raining here, so it's quite maybe okay for climbing up the waterfall in this weather. But it has more water now, so it will be more exciting. All right, let's see what we got. I hope the GoPro works well with the waterproof. Please use the rope, because maybe it's danger. It is sticky waterfall, but the name is Bottom Waterfall. Alright, let's see. I think it has 4 waterproofs. 1, 2, 3, 4.
لا تنسون عضلات. Tu vas venir voir comment même, c'est pas obligé de te baigner, mais tu peux venir voir.
Thank you. Feel cold now? The water is warm. Warm water, right? So this is the sticky one.
Okay, let's start. Easy way first.
C'est dans les tribus, on a dormi avec des cochons comme nous.
You can see the ropes over there. The people are crossing, climbing up. Oh, let's go down first. I hope I could handle myself with one hand enough. Not sure. Okay, wooden stairs here. The rain pours now, so I think the wood is kind of like a little bit of slippery here. Got to be careful of it. Oh. Whew. With a nice view, the jungle. Keep climbing down the stairs. There's the middle one, and keep going down. Okay. I think there's more in downstairs. I will start from the more bottom. Middle of the rainy jungle here.
Yes, fine. It's extra long. zit er één, waar zijn er nog 3 andere?
We hebben die niet al gehad, zo. Dan net stonden.
Denk het niet.
Dus hier wordt het water en dan gewoon zo.
Okay. Let's go into waterfall 4.
En dan lopen we daarheen en daar is het uitkijkpunt.
How to climb up from here.
Wil je nog daaronder kijken of is het?
Wil je dat?
Laat me voor deze mensen staan. Wat vind je ervan dan?
Nee hoor.
Hè?
Here or there. How can I climb this one? Maybe this one? Or other people? It's a bit white. The guys are careful of the green one. And it is very easy to climb up this waterfall. Cool. Let's go upstairs. It is really sticky waterfall. The sticky rice in it. Even in barefoot, or maybe it's even better. It's really easy to climb up this high. Okay, let's go for it. In some part, it has rope. There is some high cliff that people can use it. Okay.
Fantastic, huh?
Ah, it's so cool, man. With the waterfalls, the photos. Ah. It is really cool, man. For climbing up this waterfall without anything. Oh. Alright, the rain is not that much pouring now, so it's like much better. Oh, so slippery. Nice adventure. Okay, the green part is kind of like slippery either. Holy crap. Okay, that one definitely needs the rope to climbing up. Let's go slowly. I don't want to make some hurt in my foot or just falling down. Holy crap. Jesus. Oh man. Stop the camera. I hope it will not fly away.
Go around and play. Go around and play, okay. Hold the room, okay. You gotta go around, some move around, some move out of that. Not down, on the back side, go around. Go around. Okay, good.
Let's move on to another part. Let's move on.
Als moet je hier foto maken zo.
Oh. It is so good with all the water falling down, but I can just go upper so easily. Cool. All good. Hey, fast and free.
Il y a une super photo à faire. Attends, lui, attends. Yannick, tu peux me prendre en photo?
Tu vois là, ça glisse par exemple.
Tu veux me prendre en photo là ou pas?
Ah oui.
Attends. Reste là. Maman, elle fait une photo. Ce qui est marron, ça glisse. Attention. Ce qui est marron, ça glisse.
Tu entends? Ouais.
Okay. It's really good to feel the stream at your feet. Oh, there is the slippery part. A little bit up. I have on two ways. One way is the right, one way is on the left. Maybe let's check about the right one, the Nova Disco. Let's check. Damn, it's way more good than it looks. Oi, 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 oi. Ho, 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 ho. It's good. It's sticky. Sticky enough to climbing up. Wait. This way better. Whew. There's a rope here to not to get fall down. I need to use this. Oh. It is sticky enough to climbing up well, but just in case, there is a reason for making this rope. Okay, that's all right. Oh, slippery part. Okay, this one has a rope here, and I saw the other guy was almost sliding down. Just take a rope and climbing up, even though I will miss. Oh, it has some slippery part here. Careful about it. Another rope. My last rope, maybe. Oh, slippery part. Almost slip. Shit. Okay, change the hand here. Oh. Voila. That's really good. And finally, I reached the spot where we started. Whew. All the rocks are quite itchy, but affordable. Oi, 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 oi. So I tried the bottom to the top here. So let's check if there's another ones over there. Oh, it takes 35 minutes to climb up the whole thing, including going down. Too far. So this water just blocked the camera now. Oi. So nice view though. Oh, got all wet, but it was really nice. All the jungles surrounding. Let's check this part also. Maybe the different is not for the waterfall. Maybe only for climbing, I don't know. Just see the signs over there. Let's check. It is quite far from Chiang Mai city center, like 1.5 hours far by car. But it's really good place to visit. You are here. It is a trekking line, nature trail, like this. Okay, I can see total nature bridge, real wood bridge here also. The 7 colors fountain. It says you need to dress properly, not like these pictures. Respected area. Okay, it's just 150 meters far. Let's check a little bit and just come back directly. So it is not allowed to enter in this spring, cold spring, because it's some sacred part for the locals. So just not getting in. Just see what it is. Nam Phu Chat Si. What is this, spider? Sorry. I think few people come over here. It's literally nobody's here. Okay, the sun comes out. Taxi fountain. I see some religious things here. So it's holy water. Seven color, wow. I'm not sure it could get into the camera, but it's so clean. At the deepest part, it's like bluish. Wow, a lot of fishes here, butterflies and everything. Wow, it's so clean there. So I think this one here is for get the water from the fountain. The origin of the waterfall starts from here. So here is the origin, it says. And all the waterfall goes that way and make the sticky waterfall. So cool, so cool. Okay. Wow, it's so blue. I don't know how it goes with 7 colors, but it's so clean, like a mirror. Alright, let's go back to the waterfall to enjoy some more sticky rocks. Aye, aye, aye. And it's quite a long time that I've been in a barefoot and walk in the outside, and it's quite good though. just worried about getting hurt by some wood or rocks. I'm just worried about a little bit, but it's okay. It's cool. Let's go back. 아, 따가워. It looks like a road which shows in the horror movie or something. Nobody's here, only big trees and me. Something like that. I don't have phone, wallet, everything, even watch. I don't have. I just have GoPro now. Ôi, slippery wood. Finally. Other guys are still drinking.
Okay. Yeah?
Maybe I can try go down there in the rivers. Oh yeah. Oh, let's try. I'm not sure. Oh. Finally. How can I get down here?
Actually, I know like the water is the perfect temperature. You want to lay in the take a
It's like a water bed that keeps flowing out. Voila! go down more. Whew. Voila. Okay, let's keep walking. That's it. Oh, whew. So far, so good. So nice. How clear it is. It keeps flowing. Oh wow, I'm scared over here. Just go down a little bit to make some end of the video. No, it's not good. It's too noisy. There's so many fishes over here. I'm not sure whether they're in Canada. Alright guys, it was Sticky Waterfall. Thanks for watching the video. Tack för det.